Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of the English language, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Our word of the day is brand. It's a B1 level noun that means a product name. This is an incredibly common and useful word that you'll hear in all kinds of contexts, especially in conversations about business, shopping, and marketing. A brand is more than just a name. It represents the identity of a product or company. For example, you might say, Nike is a popular sportswear brand, or what brand of phone do you use? It's a term that helps us differentiate one product from another, often based on quality, style, or reputation. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for brand. Words like label, trademark, and make can be used in similar ways. For instance, you might say, this designer label is very expensive, or that car make is known for its reliability. Each of these words emphasizes different aspects of a brand, but they all relate to a product's identity. On the flip side, let's look at some antonyms. Words like generic and unbranded highlight the opposite idea. For example, you might say, I prefer buying generic products because they are more affordable, or this store sells unbranded items at a discount. These words suggest a lack of a distinctive product name or identity. In everyday life, you'll encounter brand in all sorts of conversations. If you're shopping for a new laptop, someone might ask, what brand do you recommend? Or if you're watching a commercial, you might think, this brand is really good at advertising. We even talk about personal brands now, meaning the way someone presents themselves to the world, especially online. Here are a few more examples to help you get comfortable with brand. This coffee brand is my favorite because it tastes so rich. They've recently rebranded their company to appeal to younger customers. She's loyal to her favorite brand of skincare products. As you can see, it's a word that's flexible and relevant to many aspects of life. Before we wrap up, let's quickly summarize. Today we've explored the word brand, which means a product name. We've looked at synonyms like label, trademark, and make, and antonyms like generic and unbranded. We've also seen how this word can be used in daily conversations and expressions. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support really helps others discover the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word brand and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.